What's up, YouTube? It's Devin Roderick here. Last time I talked to y'all, I showed you how my first truck was, a little preview of it, even though it's my first video. Over the past couple weeks since I posted, I installed red LEDs on the dashboard. That's another project over there. That's my stepdad's truck. How do you say that? Well, it's a 10-inch P3S in a Pro Box. So I gotta get to that right there. It's a surprise for y'all. It's a project I'm working on. See if it be the first time I actually see if it works. I took the seat out of my truck so I could put the new one in. This is the inside of it. My first truck. But so here, let me give you a little quick demo of how good it sounds since I installed the speakers. Let me change this fucking song. Yeah, my favorite song right here. Come on. See y'all next time, YouTube.